Could this little beetle motherfucker. Great game. It's your boy TTG, aka Ty the Great. Now I know it's been a little minute since you guys seen me, maybe about 2 weeks since I posted the last video, but we back. You know, had to take a little break, you know, work, life, everyday life. Y'all know how it is. Now since y'all last seen me, I actually did a couple of things to the Ram Build 1500. As you can see it right here. Damn, that thing looks like a monster. Look at it. I'm 6'4", and look how small I look compared to the truck. That's crazy. So like I was saying, the Ram Build actually went through a few changes since you guys seen it. The first change, the second change, the third change, and now this change right here. Now you guys been following me know I will be painting the Ram Build. I actually took a vote on the channel and I was asking you guys what color should I paint the Ram Build. So I actually picked the color. It's all picked out. It will be getting painted real soon, but I'm not gonna tell you guys what color I went with yet. You guys gotta like, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and see, that's coming real soon. So what I did was, I actually took a can of $8 plastic dip and plastic dip the borders of the truck. Now you guys know I already had the bumper and the tailgate already painted, so I actually decided to change it up a little bit and do the borders, try something different before the truck goes off to be painted. So let me know what you guys think. Are you guys feeling this little scheme? I think it looks good. She's definitely real dirty right now. I definitely gotta wash her up. Been about a couple of weeks since I cleaned her up too. Got it done on both sides. I can see. See the Scat Pack sit over there. Scat Pack dirty too. Man, I'm slacking. It's been about 2 weeks since I washed neither one. But yeah, so let me know what you guys think of the the newest mod, little cheap mod. Only about $8. Like I said, I took 1 can of plastic dip and did that. A few of you guys be hitting me up on Instagram and asking me, so Ty, how do you like the lifted truck? Ever since you put the lift on it, do you like it? Now don't get me wrong, I absolutely love the lift on the truck. I wouldn't trade the lift for anything. You know, to me it makes it look super aggressive. Just look at it. It's about 8.5-inch lift. Look at that. It's crazy. Well, I actually came up with 5 things that I do dislike about having a lifted truck. Not even dislike, 5 problems with owning a lifted truck. So problem number 1 is actually getting in and out of the truck. Problem number 2 is actually the tailgate access. Problem number 3 is blind spots. Look at this. Motherfucker. Look at this little beetle motherfucker. And problem number 4 is going through drive-thrus. problem number 5 is actually trying to clean the truck. There goes the 5 problems I have with owning a lifted truck. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. And if you haven't so already, go ahead and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. Holla at your boy, TTG. Oh, and don't forget, follow me on Instagram, man. Taekwondo, I'm gonna put it right here. We got a whole lot more coming on the Ram build and a whole lot more coming on the Scat Pack. I told y'all, the most lit automotive channel on YouTube, man. Holla at your boy, TTG. We out.